let's keep it simple. We have broccoli washed and cut with some bell peppers. I've washed and diced them all, and I've got my avocado oil because that's the oil that I'm going to be using, and I've got some sweet corn that's in a tin that I used on a previous recipe, but I didn't finish it. And guys, to be honest, I didn't even end up using the couscous. I didn't even end up using the sweet corn when I finished making this recipe. It's a very simple. You can use this as a side dish when you're having a dinner party, or if you just wanted to kind of jazz up your couscous, if you do eat couscous. Okay guys, couscous is very easy to make, and you can buy it pretty much everywhere. All you need to do is add some water and steam it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and bosh, it's ready. Guys, before we go any further, as I'm just making sure that I'm adding the rest of the broccoli into the pan, and it's gonna just slow cook right there, let me tell you and ask you, kindly subscribe to the channel. If you are new on this channel and you haven't clicked that subscribe button, guys, you'll be doing me a massive favor by supporting me on this channel and helping me grow on this platform. Okay guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you are returning and a subscriber already. I truly appreciate you, and I thank you, and I love you so much. But guys, let's get back into it. This literally took about 5 to 10 minutes because you know me, my meals don't really take long because I'm not that fussy. Okay, I'm not that fussy. So guys, literally I'm just making sure that, you know, nothing is burning. Okay, I did add a little bit of water just so the broccoli can steam up, and now I'm just gonna add some flavoring to my broccoli, because guys, if you don't know, broccoli can be quite bland if you don't add any salt, if you don't add any seasoning. So all I did with this dish, I'm adding the garlic granules, and I'm also going to be adding the black pepper, and I did add some vegetable seasoning. Okay, and that is all that I use. You can use your own seasoning with your own flavoring, whatever suits your palate. Okay, depending on your palate, do you. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna add now, the black pepper. Guys, again, like I said, this dish you can add more bell peppers, but I just had some leftover. So this is basically like, I literally had some leftover, and I was like, what am I gonna do? Perfect. And the grammys got all around, so I just kind of cleaned up the side. Just clean up the side, because it really, I kept seeing the granules on the side, and I was like, oh, what is that? But yeah guys, so I'm just turning and tossing, just making sure that all is cooked. As you guys can see, the broccoli looks cooked already, so I'm just gonna add the couscous right about now. Once I'm adding the couscous, all I then need to do for the next 2 to 3 minutes is just flipping and coating, flipping and coating, flipping and coating, making sure that the couscous has the flavor and is marinated with the broccoli. That is all I'm doing. This is a perfect side dish for any occasion, and you can take this for a quick lunch and add some protein to it. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this quick simple recipe. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.